If you are a student in the USA and you don't have a credit card yet, you are literally losing free money and future opportunities. In this video, I'll show you the best credit cards for students in the USA in 2026, even if you have zero credit history. So hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are a college student or first time credit card user in the USA, this video can help you build credit, earn cashback and avoid costly mistakes. So let's start with the number one student credit cards in America right now. At number one, we have a Discovery Student Cashback, one of the best cards for beginners. What features will you get? So there is no annual fee in this card, and also you will get 5% cashback on rotating categories and 1% on all other categories. And the biggest advantage is to discover matches 100% of your cashback in the first year. So if you earn $300 in cashback, Discover gives you another $300 for free. So who should get this? Students who want maximum rewards and first time card holders, and this is hands down the best card if you want free money plus credit history. And now the card number 2, Capital One Saver Students. Next up is the Capital One Saver Student Cash Reward Card. So what you will get? You will get 3% cashback on dining, entertainment, groceries, and also there is no annual fee. Small welcome bonuses you will get, and no foreign transactions fees available. If you eat out a lot, order food or hang out with friends, this card is made for you. And this is best for social students, dining, lifestyle and spendings. Alright, so card number 3, Capital One Quicksilver Student. If you don't want to think about categories, this card is super simple. And what you will get? You will get flat 1.5% cashback on everything, and also there is no annual fee, easy to manage, beginner friendly, and swipe anywhere on cashback everywhere. Card number 4, Bank of America Customized Cash Rewards Student. This one is great if you want control your own rewards. Means choose your own cashback categories: online shopping, gas, dining, etc. So there is no annual fee. Of course, a strong mobile app. You basically customize this card to match your lifestyle. Card number 5, Bank of America Travel Reward Students. If you love traveling or plan to student abroad, this card is perfect for you. Also, there is no annual fee in this card, no foreign transactions fee, points redeemable for travel and dining. This is the best student travel credit card in the USA. Important credit card tips. Now, listen carefully. This part can save your financial future. What are the tips? Always pay full balance every month. Never miss a payment. Use less than 30% of your limit. Don't apply too many cards at once. Follow these rules and your credit score will skyrocket. If you, my final recommendation is, if you want maximum cashback, go with Discovery Student. If you want simple cashback, choose Quicksilver Student. If you eat out a lot, Saver Student is the best for you. If this video helped you, hit the like button. It really helps the channel. Subscribe for more USA finance and credit card videos, and comment below which card would you choose and why. I reply to every comment.